don't need genetics. What you need is accountability, patience, and structure. We're giving you that on this channel. As I've said, what's popping, guys? Okay, so this channel is for home gymmers. You might have a home gym, or maybe you don't have a home gym, but we're gonna get you motivated and we're gonna train. So I'm FlexL. I've been doing training about 10 years now, mostly strength training. Then I was converted at some point. I wanted longevity. I wanted to see how long I could pound my body while still keeping things intact. We've got a whole load of old injuries, but okay. So that's why I've been doing calisthenics as of recently, plyometrics as well. So right now we're going to showcase this transformation, the physique that I've got. I've had setbacks, I've had breakups, the missus had some issues. So right now I'm taking a fresh page out of my book. I'm getting ready. I'm training hard. We're getting in the gym. We're going to set the goals higher and higher, and then we're going to hit them. You don't need genetics. What you need is accountability, patience, and structure. We're giving you that on this channel. As I've said, we are going to be showing you calisthenics and strength training. So we're getting the best of both worlds. Hopefully these things can translate or cross over into your ordinary work, whether you're doing a specific sport or whether you're just a dad, you want to play with your kids. Maybe you got a beach you want to go to, six-pack ready, yeah. Or maybe you just want to get fit again. So if you're waiting for the right time, that time is now. We are going to be showing you basic routines, guides, and giving you honest workouts with honest results. We're starting at the basics. We're building up real good foundations. That's right. We're not skipping leg day. So let's get straight to it. Say hi to Barnaby, our mascot. You're going to be seeing him around the place. Barnaby. Say like and subscribe. Barnaby would like if you could like and subscribe, okay? Make it happen. Check out our other videos. We're going to be starting you off with calisthenics. So hopefully we'll get into the strength training. We're going to be hitting the PRs. So stay tuned. We love you, my gym warriors. Peace, fam.